I don't even know how to describe it actually. I just don't feel afraid of the future, so it's bright. Yeah, I've got a bright future. Yeah, it's good. Being afraid of success has cost me, I suppose, personal satisfaction. It's cost me financially, and it's also what I feel is that I haven't set the best example for my children, because as soon as I start to become successful, or I am successful, I'll do it for a period of time. Sometimes it's been years, but I'll always pull back and just go, no, I'm not doing this anymore. So I'm teaching them to fail when they succeed. What sort of example is that? Fear of the future so far, it's made me stagnant. I've actually stopped doing anything because I'm afraid of doing the right thing, and I'm afraid because once I do the right thing, then that's successful. So I do nothing. So yeah, that's what it's costing me. Caring about what other people think is massive, because you care about what they think if you succeed, you care what they think if you fail. So then once again, I've gone into doing nothing, because where am I going? I've got no direction. Caring about what other people think was really big. It just doesn't matter what people think. And I wouldn't say that I don't care, but to me it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's really a peaceful feeling, and it makes my heart actually, like even now, it feels quite full, which is a really nice feeling. Yeah, it's good. No, I'm not afraid of success. I'm going to be happy to be successful. I'm proud to be successful, and it's actually what I want to be, and I know I can do it. So no, I'm not afraid of it. No, I'd rate it as a 0. Yeah, no, I'm not afraid at all. Too often I've gone into courses and it's just all these people that come in and they pay their money and they turn up late, and then, you know, the phones are going and this happens, and it's not treated seriously. We are actually treating and working with people, and in this case, women. And women have been through enough. They feel crazy enough. They feel uncertain enough. They need to know, well, I feel as a facilitator that I want to work with someone with total integrity and to be 150% genuine in what I do. And the course was set up like that right from the beginning, which was really, really very good. I will feel confident to go through the process with someone and actually facilitate them experiencing their own breakthrough. So I feel very confident in that. So yeah, I'd say that the course was a 10 out of 10 for me. Do your homework, challenge yourself, and make sure that you are committed to having a better life. Because if you just want to fluff around the edges, this isn't the course for you. But if you are actually serious about not just helping yourself, but helping other women in our community, and you can think bigger toward the world, but you know, bigger within the sphere of influence that you want to be involved in, then yeah, the course is for you. But it's hard hitting, they mean what they say, you can't wiggle out of things. So yeah, if that's at the point that you're at in your life, go for it.